everyone, welcome to my channel, 10 Ways to Wear It. I'm Alicia, and on this channel I take one fashion item or one fashion trend and show you all 10 different ways to wear it. Now in today's video I'm bringing you a different type of haul. Today's video is a book haul. I recently picked up some really great books. I have some coffee table books. I have some books that are of course to further our wisdom. I have a really great journal that I want to share with you all that I've been hearing so much about that I said, you know what, I gotta pick up this book. So I have that, I got cookbooks, I got a little bit of everything for you all, and I know you're gonna love this collection. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now. On this channel I bring you all types of fashion, lifestyle, hair, and beauty videos, and I know you'll love my content, so hit that subscribe button. And now let me show y'all these amazing books, and the best thing, they're all so aesthetically pleasing. Let's get into it. Okay, so jumping right in, I want to go ahead and show you the coffee table books that I picked up first. Of course, I'm definitely going to flip through them. I love fashion books. Y'all know that is my deal, and I get a lot of inspiration from high-end brands. So I picked up a few coffee table books, the first being this beautiful Yves Saint Laurent book. This book is all about the history of Yves Saint Laurent, and it's very picturesque. I did go on Amazon to kind of flip through and see what it looked like on the inside before I bought it. I haven't taken it out of the plastic yet, but I did get this from TJMax.com. It was $40 less than it was on Amazon. So it was $60 on the TJ Maxx website, and on Amazon I think it was like $107. So hopefully it's still available on TJ Maxx, y'all. I will try to link it for you, but I did pick this one up. You see that colorful cover on there, the Yves Saint Laurent standard YSL, and I love this book. It's nice and big, and I know it's gonna look great on my coffee table. So that's the first one. The next one that I picked up is this hardcover Chanel book. I got this from Amazon, and this is also all about the history and collections of Chanel. Super nice book. It has the beautiful flower on the front, and then on the back it has like one of their, you know, standard Chanel type of pieces. And yeah, super excited to crack this one open as well, and this is also gonna look really great on my coffee table. So yeah, I picked this up on Amazon. I think it was only about 30 bucks, which is a great price. I wish all these books were 30 bucks, honestly. But yeah, I did pick this one up on Amazon, and I will link it for you because this is a really nice one as well. The last coffee table style book that I picked up, I also picked up from TJ Maxx, and that is this Gucci book. This is called Gucci in the Making, and it's all about the history and collections of Gucci. And I really like the way this book looks. As you can see, it has some texture on it. This is actual real material on the hard copy, so I love this book. It's nice, and yeah, this is gonna look real jazzy on my coffee table. I like Gucci. I know there's been some controversy with them. I choose to still like them. I don't really shop with them because I'm not a luxury shopper yet. YET, because it's eventually gonna happen. But I mean, I'll never be hardcore. I'll always be a Target girl as well, but I'm just saying, you know, a girl got goals as well. But yeah, pick this up because I do love some Gucci, and I think this book is super jazzy looking. So yeah, had to get that one. Another good buy from TJ Maxx. That was about $60 on the TJ Maxx website, and it's about $100 on the Amazon website. But I will leave both links. Hopefully it's still available at TJ Maxx, y'all. The next book that I picked up is a cookbook slash lifestyle book, and that is by Joanna Gaines, and it's part of her Magnolia Table book collection. I got the first book for Christmas from my best friend, so she bought me that book, and she bought me the most amazing saucepan, like this beautiful huge pan that I don't like nobody touching my pan. But she bought me that book, so I decided to go ahead and get part 2, which Joanna recently came out with. I got this from the TJ Maxx website. I think it was about $14.99 or $17.99, something like that. But yeah, I did go ahead and pick this one up. This one has like a taupey linen color for the book backing. The other one is black, so it's a really nice aesthetically looking collection to have. So I'm happy that I have both of her books now, because the first one is really good. She has really great homely recipes that are super easy to make, and I just love to look through her books. It's very inspirational, so I would recommend picking up Joanna Gaines's Magnolia Table books. If you like, you know, homely, inspirational type of things that really just encourage you to get in the kitchen and just enjoy your space, you would love her books. I love them. So yeah, I'll link that for you. The next few books that I picked up, are to kind of continue the collection of chill turn books that you all saw in a previous TJ Maxx haul. You all saw that I picked up a bunch of like floral printed books. They're old stories that the brand Chill Turn Publishing redid, but they redid them in like really cool book bindings. So I went ahead and picked up some more from that collection. I picked up A Christmas Carol because I do love this story, and so this is something that, you know, my kids can pick up and read one day. So I love that. Picked that up, and it's also one of those textured, you know, book bindings that I love. I also picked up Sense and Sensibility by Jane Austen, also one of those textured Chill Turn Publishing remakes, and it has that gold binding. So pretty, y'all. And I picked up Test of the D'Urbervilles, and this is by Thomas Hardy. Really beautiful book. It has this beautiful, I don't know if it's coming across on camera, but floral print on it, also texture, and it's in this beautiful pink color and gold flecks all over it. Ugh. I'm so happy I have these books. I love the way they look, and it just encourages me to go back and read these stories again because I haven't read them in a long time. But the last one that I picked up is Emma by Jane Austen, and it's in this beautiful lavender and pink binding. Also has texture on it. So pretty. And if you're following my Instagram Flat Lays for the Soul, you've seen these books, or you will definitely see them because I use these a lot to create my flat lays. But yeah, these are the books that I definitely picked up because they are aesthetically pleasing. That's why I picked up the first set, and that's why I picked up the rest of them. So I just love the way they look, and I may insert a clip of how I have these up on the shelf so you all can see. So if I do that, I'll go ahead and insert that now so you can see how pretty these books look up on a shelf. They're so stunning, and I'm so happy that I have most of the collection now. I think I'm missing like maybe 2 or 3, but these books are just absolutely stunning, and I love like running my hand across them because they have so much texture. Gorgeous. I'm so glad Chill Turn Publishing redid those books. The next few books that I picked up are some really great books to read if you're interested in furthering your knowledge on Black history and just hearing some really great stories from Black people, from pioneers and things like that. This is a really great book by Beverly Daniel Tatum. She is a doctor, and she wrote this book called Why Are All the Black Kids Sitting Together in the Cafeteria? I've heard amazing things about this book, and so I decided to pick it up. I said, you know what, I really want to read this story because I didn't want to be tainted by other people's, you know, talking about it and having conversations about it. So I stayed away from it, said I'm gonna get the book first, and then I'll go ahead and participate in some of those conversations that I saw about it. But yes, really great book. So if you're interested in furthering your knowledge about Black people and our experience, maybe you're not Black and you want to learn more, this is a really good book to pick up. I haven't dug into it yet, but I'll definitely talk more about it when I do. I might even do a Couch Chronicles book about it after I read it. So pick that one up. I also picked up this book called Conversations in Black by Ed Gordon, and this is the stories of various people talking about different topics relating to African Americans living in this country. So yeah, pick that one up also from tjmaxx.com, and this one also came from tjmaxx.com. The next book that I picked up is this one. It's a hard copy book called Women of Color, and it's basically just the stories and, you know, tales of women of color, and it also has a lot of beautiful images inside. I did kind of flip through it, and it's just various women telling their stories on motherhood, sisterhood. They're talking about style, they're talking about beauty. So I really love this book as well. I love the pictures inside, very inspirational. So if you're interested in learning more, or if you're a Black woman and want to add this great book to your collection, Women of Color by Ed Gordon. I'm sorry, by Latanya Yvette. Sorry, y'all. This one is by Latanya Yvette, so definitely pick this one up. I'll link it for you. The last book that I have in the realm of educating yourself on African American history and just our life, and if you just want to know more, or if you're Black and you want to add these books to your collection, if you want to just, you know, be down, support Black authors, is this book called Black Futures. This is also a collective book of stories from different Black people. It really is such a wide scope in this book, touching on different topics, touching on spirituality, meditation, holistic medicine, all different types of things. And it's from a lot of different experts, a lot of different people in various fields. It also has really great images inside and stuff like that. I definitely recommend this one to be added to your collection, whether you're Black or not. This is a really great book to pick up just to educate yourself. So yes, love this one, Black Futures. It is authored by various people, but it is edited by Kimberly Drew and Jenna Wortham. So yeah, great book, and I love the way this one looks also. That kind of psychedelic print on there is really cool. The next book that I picked up is also one that I got from TJ Maxx, and it is called Anatomy of Style by Sophie Gatchett. And this is what it looks like. A really cool leopard print on there with like glitter. It's so nice. And this is a book about fashion. It says fashion is the armor to survive the reality of everyday life. So this is all about fashion. It has tons and tons of images inside of it, and it's just talking about the anatomy of style and how style has evolved, and you know, pioneers in different styles and things like that. So y'all know this is right up my alley. I love fashion books, and I like to read these books over and over. These are the kind of books that I just tend to read over and over and over because I never get tired of looking at them. So yeah, got that one, Anatomy of Style by Sophie Gatchett, and yes, I would recommend you pick this up from TJ Maxx. The next two items I want to share with you all are sort of like self-help items, I guess you could say. The first one I've been hearing a ton about, and that is the 6-Minute Diary. I heard about this from Oprah. I heard about this from Lydia Elise Millen. I heard about this from Marlena Stale, the owner of Makeup Geek. She talked about it recently in a video, so I was like, you know what, let me get that book, because I love to journal. I love to, you know, at the end of the day, unwind with journaling and writing down what I'm grateful for and things like that. So I heard this book has some amazing prompts. I heard that the front of it is actually a story, life story of the author, which is very compelling. Apparently he went through some serious trauma in his life, and he writes about it. So that's the beginning of the book, but then after that is the prompts to help you write in the journal, and you're supposed to spend 3 minutes in the morning and 3 minutes in the evening writing in this journal. So I'm super excited. I haven't cracked it open. You can see it's still in the plastic. I'll go ahead and bust it open now. But yeah, I did get this from Amazon. I think it was about $20, $25, something like that. But yeah, I got it in this rust color, but you can also get it in pink, black. It comes in quite a few colors. But yes, I'm excited to get into this and really start journaling. Oh, I can see the prompts and stuff in there too. So yeah, so apparently his story is in the front of the book, and then it starts the prompts for you to write in it for 3 minutes in the morning and 3 minutes in the evening. So yeah, and it has a little card directing you on how to use the journal and everything like that, how to be successful. So I'm excited to get into this one. I'll definitely update you guys on this one. The last thing that I picked up came also from TJ Maxx, and it's a vision board kit. So I picked this up from tjmaxx.com because I've been wanting to create a vision board, and I did want something to give me kind of a guide with it, because I've done it in the past, but I want something that's like really striking, and you know, because I want something that's I'm gonna have up for maybe a year or two until I really achieve everything. So pick this up from tjmaxx.com. It just says in your dreams, a vision board kit. So I'm super excited to open that up and see what's inside that can help me create my vision board. It just says in your dreams, and then it helps you to basically visualize all the things that you want to obtain, and you know, lay out your ambitions. It says a vision board kit to visualize your ambitions and plan your goals. So I'm excited to dig into this, and I'll definitely show it to you all in a vlog when I go ahead and put my vision board together and use this. So yeah, look forward to that. But I'll link this for you. It's super cute. Nice little kit for a vision board. Who knew? Thank you all so much for checking out my very first book haul. I really hope you enjoyed it. I have featured books in other hauls in the past, but I've never done like a specific book haul. So this was the first of its kind for me. So I hope you all enjoyed it. I hope you liked the selection. I think it was a good variety in this little haul, but I'll link them all for you in the description. So if you're interested in picking up any of these books, check that description. But I want to thank everybody who subscribed. I welcome you to the family. You're gonna love my content because I'm always striving to bring you something fresh and new on this channel. So I welcome you, and you're gonna love my community because my regulars are bomb. I love y'all so much, and I will see all of you guys on the next video. Stay safe. Bye y'all.